back to my channel. In case it's the first time here, hello, my name is Lynn Resi and karibu sana. But please consider subscribing and turn on the post notification icon so that when I'll upload my next video, you'll be among the notification gang. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos, liking and commenting. Thank you so much. I don't take you for granted. Yeah, so guys, today, as you have read from the title, I'm at my friend's place and my friend is expecting her. So I'm here and I'm like, yo, you girl, your room looks messy. Can I clean it up? Can I do some arrangements? And she was like, yeah, you can do it. So I decided to do that cleaning while recording, just to show you. So around here I'll show you. She was vlogging about a haul that she did at Italy, her kids' clothes, you know, the newborn that is on the way coming. She actually did a vlog, so you are supposed to go there and watch that vlog. Make sure you subscribe, and by the way, I leave her link in her link plus the name in my description box. Make sure you check out her channel and kindly subscribe and support her, you know. So guys, without wasting your time and data, let us move or go directly into the video. Hope you are going to enjoy, but please subscribe, like and comment. Thank you. Yeah, so guys, this is the mess. These are the clothes that she was showing you guys, so make sure you check her channel. So I just have to collect these and take them to her bedroom, then I begin cleaning. Actually, this is part of the cleaning. Okay, so let's do this. Guys, I want to remove this carpet because I want to clean the floor. So let me remove the carpet, then we can begin mopping or cleaning the floor. Guys, she's telling me that this is what she normally used to clean her house. It's downy and sunlight. I don't know, scoring powder because of the scent. So this is what I'm going to use. So guys, before I begin cleaning the floor, I have decided to at least clean the windows, and yeah, then we can begin cleaning the floor. I'm done cleaning the windows. I think now they are sparkling clean. So let us move to the floor. So I just wanna clean utensils, or should I begin with the toilets? Okay, let me begin with the toilets, then no, let me wash the utensils, then I move to the toilets. Okay, keep it close. And I hope you subscribe, comment if you happen to like this video. Just comment about anything. Okay, yeah, hope you're enjoying. Let's go. I'm ending my cleaning today. I hope I've done it better. Kindly comment below about anything. So I'm hoping that you've enjoyed this video, but please subscribe, comment, like and share. Also don't forget to check out my friend's channel and subscribe to her channel. Yeah, so guys, see you soon in my next video. Subscribe.